Hi, Lister. This is your mom. I'm in Coney Island, and we're looking at all the rides and all the cool stuff. Let's see if we can cross the street. We're going to walk down, and we're going to look at all the cool stuff here. Look at this stuff. Here's a guy on a motorbike. Yeah! Here we go. We're walking down Coney Island. Look at all this stuff. All kinds of shiny stuff in the air. And if you turn around a little, you'll see the big giant Ferris wheel. I can't even see what I'm doing here, but I'm aiming it the best I can so you can see all the stuff. Lots of people here on a nice sunny day. Let's see. Wait, 1 second. Okay, let's look at this stuff here. This is really crazy. Really nuts. I don't think I'd go in on any of this ride. Wait, here's... Oh, okay. Here's a little thing. Okay. No, right in between here. Now we can see all the stuff. Wow, look at that. Is that cool? Ew, go around, round. And this is my friend Tom. Say hi, Tom.
Hi, Dad.
Hi. Say hi, Rahul. There you go. Okay, I'm going to stop this for a few minutes, and we're going to go someplace else. I always like to stop it on the sky. Sky, up.